guys selling pallets? Do you guys need change? Or are you guys okay?
Oh, I don't know.
Because I brought that lot of money that you had in case if they needed change.
I don't know where you guys. Is there actually a way to set up on how much that is? Okay, that's what you should do. Yeah.
They're pricey. Do you guys need a
Amaica. I said no photos.
Yeah. Oh, good. We just got here. Oh. Is it my tea?
Amar Maica.
These are my teeth. Hi,
Nico. Hi, how are you?
Ona. Amaidu Amami. 13, serving 12.